There it is, ladies and gentlemen, ni hao. The all-new G580 with EQ technology, also known as the electric G-Class, doing what the G-Class does best and more besides. It's an exciting new era for our off-road pioneer, and it's electric. As you can see, this is a true Geländewagen. It's the perfect fusion of tradition and progress, staying true to the timeless G-Class values: strength, endurance, practicality, reliability. The all-new electric G-Class is a tough and versatile addition to the lineup that comes at the right time. The electric G is powered by 4 electric motors positioned close to the wheels. Each is controlled individually. They deliver up to 432 kilowatt peak output and a stunning 1,164 newton meters of peak torque. Like every G-Class, the new electric G has low-range gear for extreme off-roading. The powerful battery lets you conquer our 5.6 kilometer shuttle test track 14 times on one charge. That's equivalent to climbing Mount Everest, an elevation close to 9,000 meters. The drivetrain of the G-Class for the electric era offers completely unique and thrilling driving characteristics on-road and even more so off-road. It has a low center of gravity thanks to the battery integrated into the G-Class robust leather frame. This takes off-roading to a whole new level. The battery had a total usable capacity of 116 kilowatt hours from 12 modules arranged in 2 layers. These arrangements allow the unit to fit within the vehicle's leather frame. It therefore gets 3 active cooling layers instead of usually 1. The optimal operating temperature is maintained after all conditions. The very stiff housing keeps water and dirt getting from inside the battery. And the lightweight composited underbody plate protects it from impact damage. The high-tech carbon plate is more rigid than alternatives made of steel or aluminum. It's highly corrosion resistant. And here are the stats. A robust 26 millimeters thick, weighing only 57 kilograms, and it's attached to the frame with more than 50 high-strength steel bolts. But you may not ever need these protective properties, because the all-new electric G-Class has the innovative transparent bonnet feature. It helps the driver to navigate obstacles directly in the vehicle's path. It's all part of the off-road cockpit, which provides an important off-road data. Both the driver and media displays show an artificial horizon, compass and altitude and steering angle. It also offers one-touch controls for fast access to important off-road functions. The third point of difference is practicality. When you're off the beaten track, you want a vehicle that can get you out of any situations. And here the electric G really shines with many new and useful off-road features. One such innovation is the off-road crawl functions. It gives you cruise control for off-road driving. You can choose from 3 target speed settings, and this works going either forward or reverse. The electric G will take care of acceleration and braking while you concentrate on the best driving line. Our next innovation is called G-steering. If you need to handle tight off-road corners at low speeds, G-steering reduces the turning circle on rough terrain. And on very narrow trails, where the only way forward is back the way you came, the spectacular G-turn has you covered. As we have just seen, the 4 wheels can run in opposite directions, left and right, to turn the electric G on the spot. That's because they are independent of each other. Not only it's really useful, it also looks amazing, right? At the front, it has the same independent suspension as its combustion engine siblings. However, the rigid rear axle was developed especially for electric drive to ensure maximum articulation. 4 electric motors deliver high-precision torque vectoring, and 3 virtual differential locks give it a super-fast reaction speed. And now, the 3 iconic control buttons, instead of locking the differentials, have been updated in the electric G to activate 3 functions: G-steering, low-range gear reduction, and G-turn. The low-range gear reduction function is a 2-speed transmission for each motor. It increases the drive torque by a ratio of 2:1. It comes especially handy when climbing over steep hills. Now the electric G also has even more wading depth than the conventional one, an extra 15 centimeters to be precise, for a total of 815 millimeters. And this is thanks to a completely waterproof battery housing. Value number 4 is reliability. And the electric G has been designed to perform at the optimal level. Maximum torque is available from the very start. The regulated top speed is a generous 180 kilometers per hour. And it achieves an exceptional range of about 570 kilometers according to CLTC. That's almost halfway from Beijing to Shanghai. Whether on-road or off-road, the digital user experience, the electric G, perfectly shows our next core value, and that's comfort. The MBUX infotainment system is very intuitive, thanks to its 12.3-inch touchscreen. It uses machine learning to provide personalized suggestions for infotainment, comfort, and vehicle functions. For maximum hands-free convenience, customers can hold a dialogue with a new voice assistant in the electric G. And for certain actions in this learning system, you don't even need to say, "Hey, Mercedes." Finally, I would like to address the 6th unique feature, which is design. The electric G has the same edgy silhouette you have come to know and love over decades. For example, like the distinctive door handles and round headlamps. Specific to all the electric G-Class is the optional black panel grille you see here. And of course, the South Sea blue Magno exterior paintwork that you can only get on the electric G. And at the rear, a design box holds equipment such as cable, tools, or snow chains. And don't forget, design doesn't just cover the way the car looks. It also influences the way it sounds. The electric G does everything our combustion version can do, but it does it more quietly. However, a G-Class, even the electric one, should make a great sound. So this model comes with a brand new, exclusive and distinctive audio experience. We call it G-Raw.